Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney and we are at the Springhill Suites at SeaWorld today. And this is a good neighbor hotel to SeaWorld.
Yeah, it's literally right across the street from SeaWorld. We'll take a peek here in a little bit and you can see how much of SeaWorld we can see from here. But we're going to be staying the night here. We're looking forward to it. We've heard great things about the property and the room, so we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, we're going to take you on a tour of the place, show you some of the great amenities they have, and we're going to take you on a room tour as well, and to show you what a great place this is. So when you're thinking of coming to SeaWorld, maybe this might be a place you want to check out. All right, so I'm standing right here at the Springhill Suites parking lot, and look how close we are to SeaWorld. You can see the coasters right there. You can hear the screams of the people as they go down the hills. Yep, just like that. So we are so close to all the thrills, all the fun of SeaWorld. So excited to spend the night here and head over to SeaWorld in the morning.
Okay, right here is a resort shuttle pickup that takes you to SeaWorld directly. Now there are, I will say, it's right in front of our hotel, but it does stop at 3 neighboring hotels that are boom, boom, boom next to each other. So you might have to wait a little bit just to get to those hotels and such, but it drops you off right at SeaWorld's front door. And then you are able to go to the front desk here at the hotel and they can arrange certain pickup times for you. You can choose from the options they have available. There are lots of options for pickup. And then the same thing is true for drop-off or for scheduling your way back to the hotel in the evening. There are certain times throughout the evening that you make sure that you're there for, and they will pick you up and bring you right back to your resort as well, and it's completely free. So check out this really sweet splash pad area for the kiddos. So they've got these penguins that are dumping water and squirting water, and then Shamu's tail is giving off this amazing waterfall. And then the splash pad area is actually connected to the regular larger pool. Okay, they also have this splash bar and grill available. So a couple very limited options for the menu today. They had things like popcorn, shrimp, and nachos, and they had lots of like bar drinks. And they also have a hot tub available. They also have this pretty nice workout room. Weights, workout equipment. It's open 24 hours a day.
They do have a Starbucks inside here, which is really nice, convenient. It is open 24 hours. They do go to a limited menu from 11 to 6, but it seems like they have just about everything available most of the time, which is awesome and very convenient for you. They do have this little convenient like grab and go area, so they have all kinds of like little microwave items, drinks, other drink area items over here, like candy. So it's convenient if you just want to quickly grab something, take it to your room, and enjoy it. So they do have continental breakfast, or hot breakfast actually, available 6:30 to 9:30 Monday through Friday, 7 to 9:30 on the weekends. And it looks like it's a pretty big size or large size breakfast. Goes all the way over there, all the way over to here. Looks like they have things like waffles, a lot of hot different foods. There's an area over there for like juices and milks. There's even an area over there for like, looks like bagels and hot meats. It even talks about like making your own bowls over here. So it looks like it's gonna be a great continental or hot breakfast bar, and super excited to try that out. Okay, so we want to take you on a tour of our room here at Springhill Suites at SeaWorld. So we're staying in room 1115. So let's go on in and take a look. So as soon as we walk in here, we see we have a really nice area here with a microwave and some shelves to place some items. And then we have our typical ice bucket. And then we have some coffees here, kind of some instant coffees. And then there is a refrigerator down here, kind of a small refrigerator. It doesn't have a freezer in it, we noticed that, so that's kind of an issue for us. We have ice packs for bottles, so we'll have to see if they can store those for us at the front desk. But it is, other than that, a nice size refrigerator. So it's kind of in that area. Turn this way. So this is a king bedroom suite. So it just has one king bed in here. So this is kind of like a living area or a living room area space. So there's kind of these nice little tables here that can move fairly easy to any space you need. Kind of uses like a little desk or writing area at the couch. And then it has this nice couch that has this kind of area you can kind of kick back and relax on the end. This does, however, open up into a bed. So you can have more than just two in the bed. Here you can have some extra people. There is a really nice desk over this way as I turn around with a nice rolling chair here and a little lamp on the desk. There's an area down here for trash and recycling. The lamp over here does have some plugs for you to plug your computer in. Here, there's also some additional plugs over here as well. Areas for you to plug in for data for your computer. And then as I turn around this way, so this is the area where that microwave was. Here's the door. Here's the living room area. So come back around this way. Here's our television. Pretty nice sized television. And then below that is just some areas to put clothing or whatever you need to. I turn around this way from the television. Here's our king size bed. Really nice size bed. Got 4 pillows on there. Feels pretty comfortable as I press on it here. So I think we're gonna get a good night's sleep tonight. Over on this side is the bed. There's a little area for storage here. Not too big, but to store a few things. It'll work. There's a little light above the bed. Same on the other side. There's just a little table. Not really any storage except for that little table. This is kind of nice. Right above the heating and cooling, there's kind of this rack space. So you can just kind of lay out your suitcases or bags or whatever right here. So it gives you kind of that extra space. That's really nice. Then over here, they have this nice armoire space with this full-length mirror. So I open this up. And if you can see here, they have a nice full-size ironing board. So it's nice that it's a full size and not one of those tiny like lap ironing boards. Have your ironing board up there. Have some nice hangers to hang your clothes up. Up here you see your extra blankets for the pull out if you need those. There are some extra drawers down here to put clothing in. So it's a nice little space there for you to use if you're staying here for a long period of time. Then I turn around this way from the armoire, and then we have this area here. So this is our little bathroom area. So over this side is our sink area. So a really nice looking sink, mirror, kind of a cool light there in the mirror. Has of course the essentials here. So we got a blow dryer, plenty of towels, trash can over there. Turn on here. Here's our shower. Nice shower door. Has all the different soaps, shampoo, conditioner, and the pumps there on the wall. And then it has decent sized shower head. Not as nice as some I've seen, but it's not too bad. And then you say, where in the world is the toilet in this bathroom? Well, let me show you. So this is really nice. They have the two divided, so you can have privacy as you're using the restroom from someone else that may be getting ready. So they have this separate room over here, which does have another sink. So after you use the restroom, you can wash your hands and not have to even go into the other area. So that's really cool, really nice. I like that. And there is also another little mirror in this space as well. So I think this is a pretty nice facility. I think we're gonna like it and like using it. I think for the cost of this room, I think it's a really good deal. I think it's like $119 a night. And comparing that to the cost of like a Disney room, that's a great deal. To get this space at Disney, it would probably cost you at least $400, $500. And compare that to this $119. It's an amazing deal. So here's just another overview of the space, and looking forward to being here tonight.